Hey guys, so I'm back with another headband wig, but this time we're gonna make it ombre. You guys know I love some ombre. So taking a look, you can see the construction of the cap of the wig. This hair is from BestHairBuy. They sent me another unit. And putting this on, I felt like the wig fits very secure. It stretches, but it fits like on the medium to small side. I also noticed that the band was really, really thick. Like you can take a look at it. It's thicker than your average headband wig's band is. And I kind of like that because for those who don't like their edges out, this is going to be really good for you because it really you don't have to pull or tug it. It's really just going to cover your edges from jump. Now, if you don't want your edges out, all you have to do is push it back and you'll see me do more of that in the video. I did feel some very slight tangling running my hands through the hair, but it wasn't major, but I did notice just a little bit. I went ahead and flat ironed this unit because, well, you know, when the hair is in the packaging and then it comes in, whether it's in a box or a bag, however you get it, when it's straight hair, usually you need to bump it out because, you know, in the package it's kind of bent and folded and things like that. So I wanted to go ahead and have it nice and straight the way it's supposed to be. That is something you can do or not do. I know I had a comment once where somebody asked me, you know, do you have to flat iron these straight units? And no, you don't. You can absolutely do whatever you want, but I wanted mine to be straight like it was supposed to be, like I saw on the website. And see, look at my girl after I put some heat on her. Nice and sleek and straight. Now, this is Brazilian 100% virgin hair as it states on the website. I felt like this hair feels a little bit silky to me. So if you have like maybe a silk press that's getting old, or maybe your hair is relaxed, this will be a great texture matchup for you. My hair is currently silk pressed right now, so it blends, you know, right on point with my hair at the moment because I had just, you know, took a flat iron to it. Also, I just want to note, doing your edges is not mandatory, but I just like doing it, you know, it just adds a little razzle dazzle to the look. BestHairBuy sent me 2 bags full of headband wigs. The first one we're going to take a look at is the fall color looking headband wig. So you see green, brown, burgundy, mustard yellow. The mustard yellow I love, and the burgundy I also love, but we're going to look at all of them. I initially began to wear this with the knot side up, but I was like, I kind of want to see what it looks like with the flat side up. I've done the knot side up on a few headband wigs like this, but I hadn't actually tried it this way, which you would think that I had, seeing as it's like the basic way to wear a headband. I really liked it like that. You know, it's just a little switch up, a way you can get 2 headbands out of one. The fit of these headband wigs that they sent me is very comfortable. I feel like they fit to my head really well without being too tight. And you know, who likes a headband that's too tight and giving you a headache? Nobody. I love the maroon colored one. Is it maroon or is it burgundy? I don't know. But this one's my favorite. I feel like it went with my skin tone and maybe it just really went with my outfit really well, but that was my favorite one right there. They also sent me these festive Halloween headbands. So these ones, I felt like they were a little bit snugger than the other ones, but they weren't like uncomfortably tight or anything. But you know, it's very secure. I actually think you wouldn't need the combs within your headband wig if you choose to wear one of their festive Halloween headbands that they have. The wig is listed as 150% density on the website. You can see by my ponytail that I am creating over here that it's really natural looking in the density department. So, you know, if you like that look, if you like your wigs to look super natural, this is going to be a good one for you. And I think it transitions from being my hair to the wig well at this density. I also noticed and really liked that the back of my headband wig did not come up when I wanted to put that in a mid ponytail. That is something that's kind of like an issue for me behind the scenes, but I didn't have that problem with this one because it fits really secure. I also wanted to show you guys that even though the band of the wig is actually really thick, it can still be covered by your headbands that you want to add on, whether you want to have your edges out or not. Now, I have a confession, y'all. Usually I love a half up, half down with these units, but not this one. This one, it wasn't my favorite style. Actually, the low ponytail was my favorite style with this one. I didn't hate the half up, half down by any means, but it just wasn't my favorite look for this one, even though it was still a cute look. So I'm gonna test out now to see what it looks like in a bun. I know I do similar styles every time, but you know, it's my way of testing out to see what these headband wigs can handle. Like for example, I realized doing this bun that this hair is like sleek, silky, straight. Great for down looks, but as far as this bun goes, I felt like the hair just didn't have enough friction for all that. Now the exact color of the hair listed on the website is 1B30, so if you're looking for it, look for that. Of course, I'll have the links down below in the description box. And I mean, just look at that, straight down minding his business. So cute. It's really no work at all. I absolutely love this color of this unit. If you're interested, I'll have the details down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.